Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing a skincare routine that I used to use when I was back in campus, but I occasionally use it once in a while. I incorporate it with the current skincare routine, but this is wholly going to be the one I used to use back in campus. So welcome and join in. So for the first step, you'll be cleansing. Doing this routine today for you guys really brings back the memories of campus. I remember my friend Hamser when we were in hostel rooms, and we would do this all the time. You'll need 2 tablespoons of raw milk and 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So you mix the two together until the mixture, or rather until the milk starts to churn. That is when you know that your mix is ready or your mixture is ready. So mix well until you start seeing the milk sort of getting bad, you can say. And then now you take your cotton buds or cotton wool and start to, in circular motion, cleanse your face. You go round and round. Tentatively, if you can use 2 buds at the same time, the 2 cotton balls, 1 on each side, the better. You go on circular motion. Make sure you get every part of your skin. Go under your eyes, cleanse on your chin, on your neck. Most people forget to cleanse or do procedures for your neck because you think the face only includes the face when you're doing a facial. No, it also needs your neck. And the milk here helps with actually cleansing, and plus it gives you that brighter look, because milk, as we know, has that brightening effect or sort of whitening effect when applied on the skin. Some people even, there's a myth that someone used to bathe in milk sometime back in the day, but we'll not get to that. So when you make sure that all your face has been cleansed, now we'll go to the next step, which is scrubbing. So for scrubbing, you'll need 2 tablespoons, or tentatively 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and a half of a tomato sliced or cut. Yeah, so you'll put the rice flour, or rather you'll swirl the tomato in the rice flour, and then you start to give gentle massage or circular motions on your skin, on the face that is. You start to sort of rub and try to exfoliate your skin. The rice flour helps with whitening also, and also because of the grits, it helps with the removal of the dead skin. And a tomato, we all know that is a good exfoliant. So those are the benefits of this particular facial scrub that we are doing today. And please try to be gentle with your skin. You don't want to damage or hurt yourself by scrubbing too hard. Just be gentle, do circular motions, and as I mentioned earlier, do not miss your face. Your neck, yeah? Take your face towel, preferably with warm water, and gently wipe off the excess particles that will be on your face, that is the tomato and the rice flour. For the scrub, do it at least 2 to 3 minutes for maximum benefits or effects. Once you're all cleaned up, now let's do our facial massage. For this particular massage we're doing today, you'll need half a banana. Make sure you mash it well so that it becomes very soft. You don't need to have any of it still not mashed. Yeah, mash it well into a puree. Then add 1 teaspoon of tomato pulp. Make sure you mix it well. Changanya vizuri kabisa iweze kuwa mchanganyiko mmoja. Ukimaliza kuongeza tomato, then the next thing that you'll add to that mixture, so that gives you that glowing effect after you massage your skin, is 2 tablespoons of yogurt, natural yogurt. Don't use the one that has been sweetened or it has flavors. For maximum results, or for good results, for the best results when you're doing this routine that I've shown you guys today, this massage needs to be done for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Fall in love with your skin, fall in love with your face. After all, it's the first thing that everyone sees when they see you, yeah? So massage it gently, just massage. Let all those ingredients seep in. Go thoroughly into your chin, under your eyes, your cheeks, your forehead, and your neck. Make sure you get all the goodness of it inside, yes? And when you're done massaging, you can wait. Maybe you can massage for like 10 minutes and then you sit for 5 minutes before you wash it off. You can just wash it off, or again, you can wipe the way we wiped our scrubbing. You do the forward movement with your fingers, especially around your chin area. This helps with giving you like an instant facelift, yes? So those massage techniques that I've shown on the video, make sure that you see to it that you actually do it. The massage helps with also blood circulation, so your face will glow even more because the blood circulation have improved drastically with the movements of the massage. So for the final step is mask. Let's mask our faces and wrap this video up. For that, you'll need 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Gram flour is the same called unga wa dengu, for those who don't know. A teaspoon of coffee, and you'll also need 2 tablespoons of yogurt, the natural yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. The honey I used today has like 23 other herbs. I got it from a friend, so I'm trying to see of the benefits that I can get with this new particular brand that I just got. Yes, so after you have poured all your ingredients into a bowl or whichever place that you're using, mix it well. Make sure everything is well incorporated. And one ingredient I forgot, 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. But if you have skin sensitivity to any of these products, especially the honey and the gram flour, or maybe the lemon juice, do a sample test on your skin, maybe preferably on your hand, on the inner part of your hand, and see, on your arm rather, and see if it's going to react with your skin before you apply it on your face. Make sure you mix it all well before you get your application brush and start to apply on your face. So when it's well mixed, take your application brush and start to apply on your skin gently in whatever movements that you'll be doing. I'm not an expert on skincare, but I try, hey? So do it in whatever motion or movement you'd like, but make sure that every part of your skin has gotten the mask well. Sit with it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you wait to wipe it off and see how amazing your skin will be looking, glowing. And again, I repeat, do not forget to apply the mask also on your neck, something that commonly people tend to forget. After full application to your face, as you can see, every part of my face has the mask now. We wait and sit for the 10 minutes as we await to now wash our face off and acknowledge the glow and actually feel good. And don't be scared of flies coming to you. I mean, they're normally attracted to honey, and whatever we've used are very organic products, so most likely it's going to be attracted to flies. So guys, my 15 minutes are over. As you can see, my mask is all dried up. Everything has soaked in well. It's time to wipe it out, and we see the reveal of what this routine would have done to my face. But I already feel so good. I feel like my skin is thanking me right now. It feels amazing how all those elements put together, all those organic foods and the things that I've used today, how each and every of it has made me feel really good. I'm actually very grateful for this for this particular routine, something that we used to do back in the day. But hey, sometimes you remember of the good old days. And I can assure you guys, it feels amazing. Your skin will thank you after you do this. So done. I feel awesome. I feel grateful. I feel amazing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you've enjoyed watching it, share it with your friends, and try it out. I'd like to hear your comments down below on how you tried it out and how it was fantastic for you. Until next Friday, bye.